cover like Malcolm. Ball the fist in the air to the flashlight. Yeah. Hands up in the air that they gun me down. I keep it on it, they crunching the numbers.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do a vlog. This weekend, we are celebrating Ian's 30th birthday. And why not celebrate it where we always do, which is in Irvine. So you're gonna see snippets here and there. I didn't record in the beginning just because I forgot. Hachi is taking over the screen. I forgot. So this is the second day. The first day I just got off work. We came over here, we ate, and that was basically it. So right now we're actually starting the day. We went to the pool, which you will see some videos on that. But right now we're heading out. Where are we going?
Crystal Cove.
We're going to Crystal Cove. So this Ian's over here, birthday boy. So if you guys want to see previous vlogs, I'll link them here. We've been to Irvine. I vlogged it like twice, I think. So you guys can see those, and you'll see like, you know, us growing up, because now we're 30 years old. So sad. Huh, Hachi? Hachi does come to Irvine. But anyway, I'll be back and I'll share with you guys what we're gonna be doing at Crystal Cove. Before I forget, let me just share this Chanel square bag that I'm using for his birthday weekend. I hardly use this bag because the leather is very delicate. That's what. This leather is very delicate, so I hardly wear it, but I was like, no, you know what, I need to use it. And I have. So I have my wallet in here, my keys in there, and that's basically it. I really don't have much in here to carry. But yeah, so I'm using this bag for this trip, and I also brought another one. But look at this, so beautiful.
Oh wow, look. 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 Crazy.
We are at Crystal Cove. We can't go down because we don't accept these things. Haha, Jay, they don't accept you here? Yeah, so we're just gonna look at the beach and just chill. Hi, Ian.
Yeah.
Perhaps exploring. Hachi, you wanna go in the pool? Hachi! Ooh, go Hachi, go! Come on, Hachi, let's go. Hey guys, Ian and I are off to go get dinner. I actually made reservations at Capital Grille at South Coast Plaza. If you know, you know, because South Coast Plaza is known for like their like designer goods. So we might not be able to make it today to go see like Bloomingdale's and stuff, but maybe sometime during this trip we'll go. We actually went to Fashion Island, but one, forgot to record, and two, I couldn't record in the Louis Vuitton store. I was interested in 2 items, and both items were not available. I was interested in a bag. If you've seen my Louis Vuitton like wish list video that I posted, it was in that video. I was like this close to getting it, but it was a display bag, and there was like some scratches in the hardware, so I was like, no, I'm not gonna spend all that money just to get a display bag. So I'm gonna go check it out at South Coast Plaza sometime this weekend and see if I get it or not. But it was really cute. When I saw it, it was really cute. So yeah, we're on our way to go eat at Capital Grille, and I'll share how that experience will be for Ian's birthday weekend.
That's crazy.
Happy birthday, Ian. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ian. Happy birthday. To you.
It's funny now. It's funny now. Of the moment.
Alright, if you guys. Alright, I knew you guys would enjoy this, so we're gonna stay 2 minutes with you guys. I made a pristine, get some pictures, you guys. I could not just drive by them and not show them to you. Again, this is a very small group. Usually we see these in groups of 102 go all the way to the front. There you go, look straight down. There you go. Now, these are called common dolphins, which is a bad name for a really good-looking animal. These guys, actually, there's a little baby next to the mommy right there. And again, these guys like hanging out in big, giant groups of up to 5,000 that we see them in. Again, this is an extremely small group. And again, most people kind of enjoy this even more than the whale because it's more action, but the whales are much harder to find. And again, now they're swimming the wrong way, so we're not stopping. We're just gonna keep going. Hope there's more up the line here. The good whales are the ones that take a lot of breaths on the surface, and they don't stay down very long. Bad whales take like very few breaths and then they die for a long time. It's a good whale. Wow. And he's gonna go on his side. Look at that.
Hey guys, so we are back. We went whale watching and you would see that in the video. I got like super like burnt. I feel like I like a burnt chicken. Ian did too. Ian's face is so red, but it was fun. We saw like 2 whales, dolphins, jellyfish, some birds. It was a nice experience. We got wet. We were like in front, so we got like completely wet. Like I have a runny nose. Like it was bad, huh?
Yeah.
Like yeah, I got like my hair is. It looks like it was just a mess. So anyway, we had fun, and now we're off to go eat, and then we're gonna go straight back to the hotel because Hachi was not having it when we left. So hopefully he's okay. But we're gonna go to Blue Water Grill, and then probably head back home, to the hotel, and then we'll see what we do from there. But yeah, I had so much fun. Well, we had so much fun.
Yeah, it was cool.
We'll see you guys later. Ian's birthday lobster roll.
Thanks,
you.
man.
Happy birthday to you. Number 2. Happy birthday to Ian. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, so today is actually the last day of our trip. We are heading back home in a couple minutes. We had, I think this trip was more relaxing than anything, but we are gonna go to South Coast Plaza before heading out because we didn't have time to go. And then I actually have to go to class today. I'm actually presenting, so it's not just vacation, it's also like trying to get my stuff together for school. I actually got today, which is Monday and Tuesday, off to get my life together because finals are around the corner and I need to get everything done like ASAP. So yeah, I'm waiting for Ian to get out of the restroom and to break down Hachi's crate because as you can see, his crate needs to be put down. I will show you the room, but it's a mess. It's a mess. So if you haven't seen my previous vlogs, I would highly recommend it because I show how the room looks like. It's the same setup every time I come. So yeah, let's see what else. So yeah, I have to present today at 4:30. I might just show a little bit of me going to campus so you guys can see how Cal State Lake looks like. And yeah, I know this vlog is kind of everywhere. I kind of like put snippets here and there. I think you guys want to see more of the action than me talking. So yes, that's why it's kind of intentional, but yeah, we'll see what happens. And yeah, just follow along. and I'll see you guys in the next check. Secure the bag. Now off to go home.
And the others followed. Sarah said his name one last time and then fell to her knees. Destiny?
Hey guys, so I am back home. I will be showing my campus when I go to class because I have a presentation, as I mentioned to you guys. I'm not gonna share my classroom or anything, just share my little walk to campus and just share that little view with you guys. And then I'm gonna end the vlog there because there's nothing else to share with you guys besides Ian's birthday, but I think my family wouldn't want to be on camera for that. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be showing the unboxing on my next video, so keep an eye out for that. I just filmed that like literally like 2 minutes ago. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.